In this guide, I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat when your username, email, or phone number is not found. This is Miguel from JustBoz, and before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for more content like this. It really does help out the channel and we'd greatly appreciate it. If you have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First, go back to the Snapchat login screen and carefully check the information you entered. Make sure there are no spelling mistakes in your username, email address, or password. Snapchat specifically recommends checking your login information when this error appears. Next, go ahead and try a different way to log in. For example, if Snapchat can't find your phone number, try entering your username or the email address connected to the account instead. If you don't remember your username, ask a friend to open your Snapchat profile and tell you the username shown on your account. If that doesn't work though, go ahead and reset your password. From the Snapchat login screen, tap Forgot Your Password, then choose whether you want to reset it by phone or email. Snapchat will send a verification code or password reset link to the contact information connected to your account. Follow the instructions, then try logging in again. Also keep in mind that only one Snapchat account can have a specific email address or phone number verified at a time. If you verified the same information on a newer account, Snapchat may have removed it from the older account. If you no longer know or have access to the email address or phone number connected to the account, Snapchat says support cannot reset the password or change that recovery information for you. Before you leave, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for more content like this. It really does help out the channel and we'd greatly appreciate it. And if you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.